Hello everybody. Today what I'm going to do is demonstrate for you a solid-state Tesla coil. So basically what this is a transformer connected to a circuit, and that this circuit is going to take DC voltage of about 13.5 volts and convert that to alternating current, and then that alternating current will go to the transformer and boost it up to a high voltage. The exact high voltage I am not entirely sure of. It might be several thousand volts, or it might just be 400, 500, 600 volts. Again, not entirely sure. I don't have any sort of voltmeter to kind of test exactly how high the voltage should be, at least not at the moment. So what I'm going to do is turn this on, kind of show you how this works. What we have on the top of this device is simply just a light bulb. And the light bulb is cut in such a way that it's open-ended. So it's not a complete circuit, it's an open circuit. And so when I turn this on, you're going to see sparks inside the light bulb ionizing what little air there might actually be inside of the light bulb. Okay, so I'll go ahead and turn this on. And there you go. Okay, so the sparks that you're seeing in there is, again, whatever little gas is inside the light bulb. Again, it's near vacuum, but it's not a perfect vacuum, as you can see. And the high voltage is ionizing that air and making it spark. Now you can see if I touch it, or kind of come close to it, that the spark is kind of attracted to my hand, and if I touch it, we can actually kind of see the spark jump from the glass to my finger. Now let me turn this off because I don't want to overheat it right now. One of the things that Tesla proposed was that you can transmit power wirelessly. And so I can demonstrate that by using a fluorescent bulb. Okay, so if I place a fluorescent bulb near, but not actually touching the glowing light bulb, you can see the fluorescent bulb light up. Okay, so again, this is the fluorescent bulb, and if I turn on the power, again, I'm just going to be simply holding it, and you can see that as I place it next to the bulb here, that it glows. Okay. Now what's interesting about this is that I'm acting as the ground. So only the part up to my finger that's actually touching the bulb will light up. So to show you that, here if I place my finger halfway through the bulb, this part is lit up the most and this part is hardly lit up at all. Okay, and you can kind of see if I flip the sides here. So depending on where I'm touching this, so here the whole light bulb is lit, and if I touch it over here, only a little bit is going to be lit. Okay. Now if I kind of tweak this a little bit more here, and so again, just to kind of show you that the light is on, and if I hold it close, you can kind of see how the whole thing is not lit and only up to my finger is lit. And so that's it. I hope you found that interesting.